Jamaica could welcome 5 million visitors, pulling in $5 billion in annual earnings by the end of 2025. We often hear about the impact of tourism, so this evening we go to the beach in Negril, Westmoreland, to see how at least 2 tourism workers are holding up after Hurricane Melissa. Ramarda Lyons reports.
Dry your eyes, girl, smile for me, Jamaica.
All around Westmoreland, the damage is palpable following Hurricane Melissa. Negril has been spared the worst, and as more tourists trickle in, it's not just these waves crashing in. US dollars are also crashing in the pockets of the people who depend on them.
Among those people, these 2 men who make money on water.
I am a captain here, I'm a famous captain here. So I'm Sefran Williams, I'm the lifeguard here at Skylark, you know.
Captain Muir has been at it for over a decade.
Yeah. That is what I make my money and I make my herd. So all of my family can eat and can survive. That's why I come out here for 13 years I'm on this beach.
With Mr. Williams, it's a much shorter tenure.
I've been working here since last October.
It's been profitable?
Yeah, I would say so, you know.
For them, these empty beach chairs mean bills may go unpaid. So this is a welcomed view. Craft vendors walk endlessly to make a sale. Horseback riding on offer, but this one isn't something you see every day at the beach. An elf telling a dog to swim.
Swim. Swim, yeah, swim, whatever.
It's part of his entertainment offering to pull tourists to his parasailing services.
If no tourists not here in Jamaica, we cannot survive. This is what I do, to make money and make a living. If I don't come out here, I cannot eat, I cannot survive. So I live from the water. Yeah, especially the water, you have many stuff here we can survive from, but it depends what we do here. Understand? So it's a moment of time, parasailing, glass bottom boat, tubing, island coast, Rick's Cafe, any activity where you can do in the water. It's been very useful to me as a job. I say, you know, it's a great opportunity, great experience. You know, it's a place where I actually make my living from, you know, so we have to, like, you know, this is our bread.
Following Melissa, several businesses have been shuttered, but business on water is still open, slow but sure. Several properties line the beachfront and US dollars are flowing in.
Devastated, I would say. The next half of the island, we didn't get so much damage, you know, so, you know, we have to be grateful for that. Many people don't even really have back a job as yet. You can understand the damage that has been done, so, you know, I have to say we're grateful that Skylark is still up and running.
The government has committed 600 million Jamaican dollars to help tourism workers displaced by Melissa. But for those still working, earnings vary, but they're more bite than bark.
Sometimes I come out here, we make a $10, we thank God. Sometimes I make 25. Sometimes we make more than 25. Sometimes we make 100. Sometimes we make a lot, but we don't depend for a season to come. We go here same way.
And when the sun sets in Negril, tourism workers dream of continued arrivals. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.